Hi, welcome to our lesson, and today we are going to learn what to consider when you want to move a car from one point to another on the model town board, followed by 15 simple examples for a better understanding. My name is Perez Nelima, your driving instructor. Now let me guide you through with the first example before I leave you to watch the rest. So first, for you to do this, that is move the car from one point to another on the model town board, you must have learned the rules of the model town board and the road lane options, that is, the lanes taken by the vehicle when entering and exiting the roundabout. If you don't understand this, you can watch any of my videos titled Model Town Board, full or complete tutorials on this same channel. So let's look at this example. You are required to move the car from point A to B. Now the first thing to consider is to check all the possible exit points towards B. We have these 5 points. Now these 4 lanes and the U-turn. These 2 are exits from this major road, so let's rule them out. Then we remain with 3, but with the U-turn, the route is very long compared to the other 2. That is, from point A, although it's still right to use it depending on the conditions which might be existing at that time, but we want to get the shortest. So narrowing down to the remaining 2 exit points, we can use only these 2 lane options to reach us to these points. And my opinion is that the one using the 3rd lane is the shortest. What about you? Now from point A to the roundabout, you must always enter through lane 1 and shift to lane 2 or 3. Thank you for listening to me, and remember to continue watching our videos. Please subscribe, share, and don't forget to press